How to change your virtual memory settings on Windows 11. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to change your virtual memory settings on Windows. First thing first, all you have to do here is go ahead and open up your settings, hit enter, and once your settings opens up, from the left hand side you need to go to System, and from there you need to go to System Settings. From here scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the About section, click on it. And then from there, you need to scroll down, go to Advanced System Settings, and click on this. Once your Advanced System Settings opens up, from the Advanced tab, you need to go to the Performance section and go to Settings. From here, again, go over to Advanced, then tap on Change. Now, make sure that the automatically paging file size for all drives is checked off. Make sure this is turned off. And then you want to go over to the custom size. Just click on it, and from here you need to select your recommended size. So I'll just go ahead and enter the recommended size here, that is 1893. And for the maximum size, it's recommended the double of this. So go ahead and multiply this by 2. So let me quickly pop up my calculator and just go ahead and enter this 1893 multiplied by 2. So just do this and you're going to get this number. So it's 3786. I'll just do that here, 3786. Click on Set, click on OK, and you need to restart your computer for the changes to happen. So click on OK and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.